Where is your husband? Uko mi kuna sorry ubehunu. Aye. If you want to see my husband, you can go and visit him. I will baby or kwa sorry no. Ubehunu ho. Aha. Obiya ye ni nyami juma. What I say? Obiya yan evangelism. See, if you want to see my husband, you can go to my husband's church. Aye, papa no okobo masuno. Aha, my spiritual father no. Eho no kwa sorry. Ti mo betimi akọ mo kọ ho a mo behunu owo pa ne ho odin. Nti wo bia wo peso if you want to see my husband no, you can go there, you see my husband. So when so no do on your Facebook fan. On your Facebook fan. So wo bia peso hu my husband no, you can go to his church. You can locate him there. And if you want to see Evangelist Mama Pat, you can come to my prayer camp. You will see Evangelist Mama Pat. It's a fitting the more be maybe sad. Mama Pat, where is your husband? My husband wants to be bottom. And my husband wants me come. What am I say? Obi a body bra. Eya ware ne ya wale. Obi a ye na dwuma. Nti no me pamocho. Where is your husband? Where is your husband? No. Ukọ a trusted world. Baby a ye bo masuno. Aha, baby a na me kwa sorry na ye bo masuno. If you go there, you will find my husband there. Trusted word. E ho na me kwa sorry. Se men so me ya ma asole. What must say? Aha. Ana mi kru so ono na no ne papa no e ya asole. It won't be for papa ni nya ho e medi ne yiri achi. What must say? E kan okre na kire mo ne. Muntie ne yie. Papa na ne nyina ya kọ na asore no. Ono wate na asole. Wono na mi kunu ene ne ya asore. Ansa na me be sakira afra busumfie. Mi kru ye ye nyamedwuma. Almost 8 good years in me kunu ye nyamedwuma. So what I say? I will need software bi nanam. I will this software na chi ese software no akola. Eya software na akola no no. I will di na chi a. Ono ne eya sorry. Ana me so metena busumfie na me ya ma akom. Abra na me ya ma akom no ne enya me ni mi kunu na eya akom no. Muntie nyansasem ne ye. Na enya me ni mi kunu na eya akom no. Na me nkoa na me wo so to ma me ya ma akom adwuma. Any achi me tu mu no enya me nkoa enya me ni mi kunu na koda ourselves. Eya me nkoa na me koda ourselves. Ana me nkoa na me kohia Yesu ewo ho. Ana me kunu sofo ana ebo masu. Ana me ba ya na me kodi wo machi ni omo kosom kakra. So me kodi wo machi ani omo kosom kakra. But me Awurade afrɛ me won konkron wo me so, Awurade adom wo me so. Ana nyame frɛ me a wan frɛ me sabe fa nkotena obi asole dem. Myself will be for 1 good year. I feel nyame ama kwan se me ba nso kokrom ko ka nyame asem ko twe akra wo ba fa tro konkro Bible no be kire wo mo. What must say? It is a me kru ebedi obi achi for 10 years 20 years a ye ne choice. Me to be ko force no so medi machi. Me to be ko force no so metra ma asore dem. Tie ne ye pa. Me to be ko force no so medi machi. Me to be kwa force no so metra sorry them. It will be a open me kuno huno no. Someone must say about Facebook or womabi. And I want no on your fan of Facebook. O kona ne sofo na or what baby ana me kono. Ube huno he is there. What you say? It's more more me kunu wo man sorry hono. Me yakwala me sacha ye nche. Ono wo ye nya me dwuma che. Sa wa ya na adwen so pese obi asole anke ebi ono na bedi kan ya bi asole. Na me ma bedi na chi. So what you say? Sekami kuna ya na adwen say o pasole bie aye nyamedwuma e ye ono ane de a e ka ono na bedi kan kura bi asole dada ama me ma ye den ma bedi na chi but obi wo wa obeso support obi into ono no ni destiny no say obe support obi into odi ne sofu achi a no de ye ono no choice. So what you say? And I mean so no me destiny no me I am a leader. I am not supporter. I am a leader. I am not supporter. It was a man so bitimi koye madwuma. Na me so me ma aboafo ye den e be support me. And na me koye madwuma yin se manya aboafo bebre. Asofo akese bebre nyame ayi omo de omo abre me. Sofo asiama wo ho. Asofo bebre wo ho nyame de omo ye den. O de omo abre me. Enti wo opese wo hu me kunu no. Wo ko sofo no obo masu no. Me spiritual father ne ho a owo ho. Owo pa. Uba mi fie nso a my husband is not fan of Facebook. Also be na mo ye ya mi kwa ye ba ya me de camera better on so na odi nanimu si a edru we bi mu bedi matem no. I will not do that again. It's what person who no. Okwa sorry wa ube huno. What must say? Okwa so opeswa. Usumo be kwa sorry wa ube huno. Senya me sorry day me to senya no. Me to sorry day ya che. Sabre na me was so to. Enka papa mu ampa. Se ka me kru na eso go soli. E start a soli. E ye nyame dwuma. Na me mpo me bedi nachi. Ba wonya na adwen so ba ye nyame dwuma no. Ana me so no me nya obi a me betena se. Na ma ya be kam ya se. Dabi me yan kam se. Me yan kam se. Dabi. Obi ane ni destiny o de ba asase so. Nti ono de one ne sofo no na egu so na mo a o hya na se sofo ketwa. Ai. Ana me so me ko me mpaibo. Me so me kwala adi machi. What am I say? Because the anointing is upon me. And was rano and woman so. It's be my obi nko come and share. Who should be ase? Your friend will be preachy cry as a man. Obi a invite say, oh, who preach TV so. Nyame asema wo ka kwachiri nti be ka nyame asema che nyame ma no. Ya say, hey man ko. Me meant to be mo bi me come and show. See, you invite me and say, nko. Ya kwa as I say, nti no. Sa where is your husband now? Mu bi se bisa mo pe wo mo. O pe no man sorry dem no. O ko na spiritual father no wa. Mu be hunu. Ai. Emre pamu no nyame ya madom na me bie ma sorry dan na no no obeba. Eno de yo no anasem. O man so a e yo no anasem. Eno omo ameni o ma hyase no so. Obi ntibi ma me kan kire me say. Ena me na e wo se me no be ye no de anya dwuma okrum ha. No. Me de I am doing my God work that God has given to me. At ma say, aha. Ya wa sofo bebre. O ma bobom patadan. Empata. O mutimu ye nyame dwuma. So obi so ye nyame adwuma for 10 years, 8 years no ntimi ntene ho. E ma na yire ote abusu fie me di na chi obe hye obi ase a. Me ntimi me hye obi ase for the rest of my life. Ma hye obi ase for 1 year. Me call. Eduano, it is how that's here. I am telling you people the gospel truth. That is why it is. It's in there. Upema semwa. Baba evangelist mama part and Bible. Ya me ya do ne bia sore ne so a. Me chia me spiritual father. Archbishop Dankson. Me chia me spiritual father. Archbishop Dankson. Me papa we na ma me zel. O se me obi anka won hye. E ma dom na nyame ade ama won nka dem. E ma entie nipa no ma wo meye mobo. Move forward. Si abonten. Ko ka nyame asem no. Shempai bona say. Archbishop Dankson. Papa, God bless you for the motivational words you give me. God bless you. You have given me the zeal to do the work of God. At my say, and now ne papa mo akwata kan. Wasu pobia impati ama wa pobia. Wono no nyame impati no. Ama ni grace ne wosoro. At my say, aha. Na akotena ba bia nipa miensa na twia. Also da achi nipa miensa na ba twia wa solid them. I will not waste my anointing under somebody. Me me come and show. Some me akama sha ka gidi asole na meko. Because gidi for sari omo kankrofo hye no enu nti na me gidi asole megai. Me ma me wo ye gidi ni. Mase o ye gidi ni. Me ye gidi ni fitimi nkwala brem. Ba gidi for ma kwan se obeye nyame dwuma. Gidi for ma kwan se obeti asole enu nti na gidi asole megai. Gidi for so for ba ko ni o. Oh sorry. Enu na ma me free gidi kokko. E ho na me eye ma asole. Gidi kokko. Ena ya ma asole. Ba omo makwan mama anya den emprichi ena meja egidie etisa me ma free ayi abusufie na mo be kam ya hyade a me koda me fo bi ho ban me koda e kan se be kam ahye nko ade aka metena gidie asole mu nti where is your husband me ti so to me enye me ni me kunu na te ho atma se ena me bra me bo no me nya ma na hwa mo me nya me kunu na hwa me enya me kunu na hwa me nti minti so mo bi am come and share that must here nti no e memma nyame aya madom amuso mo gina machi amankrado black Jesus safulo na tina radio ai that must here memma nyame so yi memma mo gina machi me start here soli mi kru ni hobi odini sofo achi eso nyame yi memma abegina machi she sana wurade ya na de se wurade nyakopon so nhira emema nyame ayi wo mo begira machi ai nyame nhira mo pa enti So what baby say, yeah, mama part, Equasalia, Yuni Crunti, Nawali, Debbie. I am still in my marriage, but I am doing my work. Saturday because now radio, so I mean, what? Why are ready to me? No, and Chakra, where is my daughter? I'm going to buy me. They said, Papa, for us. All right. Ya kidnap no. The next killer, they need to more diano. My sweet baby, come and sit down. Don't go anywhere, okay? You are looking gorgeous. That's my babe. That's my sweet baby. I love you so much. Go and sit down. Obia from Amenko. Me buy ye no baby. I'm a cobi odimachi. Me buy ye no. Shek. And you are on the other for. Until they are ready to me, no. What's my saying? Until they are saying, Ayana, and mammy catch that. A man be say, who your bar, men can say, who Chayama, who kunu, aqua, chuma, aqua pesica, and son of Bempah and day, at your brow. They be me to Ghana mouthful, say, who your bar, you don't want bra. You don't want your chuma. What I say, funny, but you don't. Because what women and what men can do, women can do it better. Women can do it better. We are solid down where ya. We are Ghana so for me man away. Baba be see a radin see a yebi. It's a war your about wait me yebi. It's all your buy for wedding too close. And no baby are not in paso. Bedi wa not to say shepe. Be my men and me kura kwajuma. And I ran yama what abuya mob sister. Solid ne koye juma. Na e woman. Na e woyen and set mimiti hey obi antimi control dia me wo dia wo na dia wo me and set ata say to me dia me nya mara ye twen say and na me kru sale ansa and na me dabi me free eye forceful enya ne to me dia me hu oba na wonya adwuma dia me tu fu ka cho sister so le ko ye adwuma hey say ye den yo what gaini what I say it is solid ko ye adwuma for when into kru so. And it's talking point for have your contour for and check my sorry dining you, Mama Parts and Pible. My sorry dining and chakra. And chakra, a piano. A bit piano giddy pa. Shema who say, dear Erade, what's me yano? Dear yes, what's me yano? She, sir. Who to social media? Singing room crowd wouldn't be. Memi a radio shame say me na say ka me better social media na me ya ne mepe because me ma ba me better dura chiri would have fair na wo badwen wo do ho beto me tna ho the more you are talking the more we are moving forward that's na ho ne tna ho ne ejimi enko bobra na tna ho abozege fo me chia mu nyina sane me ti so to mu a na me kunu nte ho no sa na me nya me dwuma me ya me kunu nte ho na me so ya me de Semasha say, and you crew a dimachi, no abekra koye we bedu baby no abeka washe. No. Me na me move forward. Baby nya me di me bedru no de me adru. Atma say, that here ministry ni ba kese no. One more me ni o ma hyase a me ni wo mo baby ya no one more na me ni o mo ko. Enru baby ma me crew me gina o me ka say, me na we me crew nti me na me deserve say that bi o mo me ni o ma hyase ne no. One more. Kase one more. Kase wo mo a ewo Yesu dim ya wasofo bebre ya bobom pata enso mo fo so na odi oba be si ato asole na se wuntimi move na oba ni wachi a me de ma move upa di bachi upa me ma efa me ho upa bra me upa me ma I don't care atma say ti sana nua no ni adofo etie it's a radisha mo pa na onya mo kase enche ye bebie ano na monsoso ada ebe bia no no aya na ebe ye ordination nyina ordination ye di kan ye kokoam de eno de ama bonten eno na eye Archbishop Dankson o de ni me ansa na mitimi starting pie bo no ya fa ama bonten kese pa no beba eno de ebe ye wasori dem asei na obia ye den enso aba be den aba betie bi na obi aba betamachi atma say I am not explaining anything to anybody. The other one saying anthrophobic and I know so na me so me chirem. Nti wo chira wo ne ye huni kru ne ye huni kunu a me kru onwu ye otiase. Na no kru ne wo mu no ma be ka chire mo no. Nti ma me trust stop explanation. And you want to dictate my life. Nobody can dictate my life for me. I did Jesus Christ. And now I call me Papa Mwakwata was me the one I see her. Nyami Jumanu ma be a quiet amount. Was a Yami Jumanu ma be a quiet amount, quite a quiet. Yeah, become your share them. We're all today. And you know, evangelist mama parts. My motto is that me. Yan coming them. Yan coming say what must say? Aha, it's a radical mopa na onyamo kesiye. Dear ready right now, let's go. Dear ready. I am off. Mommy is going. For my way. For my. Me coffee. Me coffee. Another mama sramu. Mo we no bia mama ka ho so be pesika di. Ni na mo baka no de ma jam no. Yes. Where are they?
Ye we na. Anka me o de be faso. Because o china yesterday come get.
Ha, I don't know. I know you're different.
Yes.
I know you say.
Man, in think no chino be ye de o to me ye na man bitwa. E man ka kama to be
o
ye de. 67,500.
Monu mo bio.
Man,
wo da brafie we nya kwa ho asem.
Man ka
Brafie because me kai say.
That be more body no the count. If you had my
Me the count ho.
I had my Facebook to grandma.
What da Facebook? Ah, me o boa. And your body in cabo my house, your cabo me and one you know.
I know got no make us and make constant more could be and half price the bubble content. Oh, that's okay. When I would come about half price no from China.
It's a honey I got on a compound no. And away design no.
Yes, man. For you
by a compound in would I not your buffy? Why? Obafia. A bedding home come. Obaso I make a me found so. Estimates now the bread. Kakore is estimates now the bread. Be a car, a Namiki way. Be a car, mamma, bunny, yeah, see. I got a chap on me, the K. I bet say, Rana, go and sit down. Go. I tell your 9 out there, academy. Yeah, mommy. Yeah, this girl. See your face. Okay. I'm going. Okay. I know. I've seen you. I know it's you. I've seen you, Isaac. So that transform my bafia. Now with the movie study, I'm watching. I will give you tomorrow. I said foreman should come to the house tomorrow. So when foreman come, I'll send all of you your Easter gifts. It has left only you the church workers. I've given everybody Easter gifts. It has left only you the church workers. So tomorrow when you come, but the last Sunday you couldn't come. Be a part of see some poolside or mama.
Poolside. Man, what's the old friend? Hey, no, catch me Friday. No money in alcohol.
No more call. No more pound.
And in a way, carpenter don't do what I call you then on the promenade.
Jesus.
No
more going.
Mamma, move here. Cock quiet, baby. I be a cement for
oh, I'm a friend, Mamma, mobile.
And I permanent.
Your friend, mobile fee and can wait tomorrow. Yamisham.
Yeah, my.
Adwuma no man nyantem. Why?
Oh, ma.
Go by ending of next month. Third week. You be piano. Why? It's mo mama honya. Obo dai no so ya say ne na yi steady obi akwa okọ.
My dog.
Adani so obi akwa si ye. Adani fifiri ye. Jesus. You ready to me no. You ready to me no. Oh, one friend from here.
One friend from young grow.
You ready to me no. Ready na ye. Nyama ho din. Enti nyama insha mo make up. I've told you Foreman will come to the house tomorrow. So when Foreman come, I will send you your Easter gifts, right? They are forcing me to speak the English. Oh, yeah, my God. Hey, Jesus. Minko. Yeah. Yes, wabe nyaneme. Hey. Afa. You know. Yabaya frono. Tenfu biom. Why? God bless you. So I don't know how mommy and I'm sure. Next month, Yababa. God bless you. Boy, yeah.
Hi.
Come
My name is Raina.
Wait, I know it.
Raina.
They can't talk. When you talk, they can't talk. They just write comments.
Okay.
Comments. They say, Happy Easter. Famudin come can be chomo. Of a man Kado is watching you, Raina.
Happy Easter.
Man Kado is watching you. Talk to a man Kado. Say something.
Of a man Kado. Happy.
I want to say.
Of a man Kado. I want to sing.
Come on.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, chum. Famudin come on. Samsung want to sing. Yeah, advert mom. Catch us. I am heavy. I'm going to.
I have a heavy account to Bible. If I see me now.
Give it to me.
Bye.
Bye. All right. All right, so I'm on the highway. I'm driving. I'm on the highway, so I'll see you people later. At the highway driving. See you people later. God bless you.